Hey everyone, thanks for joining again, and welcome to a new video. This one is on the Eau Claire Market. It's really a mall, but they called it, and it was promoted as a market. It's not as old as the Eau Claire and Bow River Lumber Company photo that you see right now, but it is historical for some individuals of Calgary because they took their kids there. There was a movie theater there, so they'd go to see movies, things like that. I know there was a games business in there as well, but many businesses over the years. It's 170,000 square feet, and it was finished in 1993. So, not the extremely old historical stuff that I usually do, but I wanted to take the drone over this before it disappeared because they are redoing the entire area of the Eau Claire community, just north of downtown Calgary. So, anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it. The usual things. And on that note, enjoy the video.